There is nothing like the good old days when your dad would holler at you up on the roof to move a little to the left as you held the satellite dish so he could watch the football game. But if you're looking to get connected with something a little more modern and with greater reliability, then you need to get plugged into the Harwin Datamate Coax multiport connectors. Requiring just one connection, they're easily assembled with lightweight RG178 coaxial cables when using the ganged cable assemblies from the Datamate Coax range. Single or double-ended female assemblies in 150, 300, or 450mm options, packed in a compact design on a 4mm pitch, provides added flexibility while reducing space and weight. Their high-quality gold-plated 50-ohm contacts and frequency range of up to 6 GHz provides reliable 100G shock rating performance for high vibration environments.